In this video, we break down Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech and its bullish impact on Nifty as it approaches a record high. Plus, we'll cover the key economic reports and technical trends to watch as the Fed's next move looms large. In early action, GIFT Nifty is running out the gate. The positive catalyst, the crystal clear message from Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech, the time has come for policy to adjust. Powell is ready for rate cut. The Fed is poised to cut interest rates at the September meeting. Investors are once again being drawn into the narrative that lower rates are essential to stave off a recession and to keep the bull market going. The big question, 25 basis point or will it be a 50 basis point? Well, the Fed outcome on 18 September will depend on the three inflation reports and one US employment report on 6 September. The three inflation reports. 1. The Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) Index, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge to trickle on 30th August. 2. The Consumer Price Index (CPI) Retail Inflation report on 11th September. 3. And on 12th September, traders will have to brace for the Producer Price Index (PPI) Wholesale Inflation report. Long story short, the day's outlook offers plenty of bullish opportunity for fireworks at Dalal Street on backdrop of a dovish Powell. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1944 crores while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 2896 crores. Nifty sentiments continue to remain bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive breakout on the upside. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 13.55 levels. Nifty PCR, 29 August, is at 1.17 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28 August, is at 0.84. Nifty outlook, bulls are likely to be everywhere. Nifty, CMP to 4823. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,649 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,100 mark. Range for the day is between 24,750 and 25,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 50933. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,547 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,357 mark. Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 50,705 and 1700. Bias for the day is positive. After a string of gains for 6 days, Nifty is fast approaching its biggest hurdles at its all-time high at 25,078.30 mark. Please note, only above Nifty 25,078.30, the most aggressive bulls will rush to revise their Nifty's targets higher for a market that keeps dragging on. Meanwhile, the second estimates for the US GDP growth will trickle in on Thursday, 29 August. India's GDP growth numbers for the June 2024 quarter will be spied with on big eye on 30th August. It is widely expected by economists that the economic growth print will fall in 6 to 7% range for the first quarter of current financial year against 7.8% in March FY24 quarter. The Reserve Bank of India already lowered its growth forecast for Q1 FY25 to 7.1% from 7.3% earlier.